Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making unique and nutritious dumplings with cauliflower and green peas. Now let's start with kneading the dough, the cover. We need the cover, so make it with whole wheat flour, salt and water. Go ahead and start kneading. Now add a little oil and form this soft dough. Keep kneading for a couple of minutes and set it aside. This will be our cover for dumplings. Set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will start making the filling. Now for the filling, let's heat oil in a pan, and we need grated cauliflower for this. So after the oil is heated, add some Thai chilies, 2 to 3, and also some spring onions. Then saute it for a minute or two. Now add the grated cauliflower. No need to remove the water because it's fine, it's going to get evaporated anyways. Now add green peas, some turmeric and salt. Now I like to add turmeric to this because it gives such a pretty yellow color, and also the green yellow goes very well together here. You look at this sizzling filling, it's looking so yummy. Now the next part starts. Here we have this the filling, the cover made already. We will start forming the balls. Now start rolling them. So here I am rolling those, and after that you have to add the filling to this cover. Okay, so go ahead and add it. Remember, the filling has to be cooled down, maybe for a couple of minutes. Let it cool down, and this is the way you have to fold. So you start folding from one side. Here you are folding and just press the other side. So this is one way to make this dumpling, and I'm going to show you one more way how you can make it. So the folds are on one side and other side is plain, but the other way is you can fold both sides. So here I'm making sure that I'm folding from both sides. Sorry, it was pretty quick. Anyways, so now the next part is steaming. This kind of steamer, you can have your own different steamer, so you can steam on it, or even instant pot, that works well. Now I'm steaming these for 10 minutes, and you can see now they are ready. The dumplings are ready. Yummy, they look so fresh and appetizing. Go ahead and plate them, and you can serve them with soy sauce or even chili sauce, the red chili sauce. I am so used to having them steamed, but if you prefer having them fried, please go ahead and fry. I have my memories where my mom used to make these for us, and we used to enjoy them fried, but now being calorie conscious, I do like them steamed as well. So please try them and let me know whether you made those, whether your family liked it, and leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time.